Welcome back, everybody. This is Steve KM9G, and I know you guys have all been itching for a size comparison. So this is the Elecraft KX1 with an internal tuner, CW only QRP rig. This one has room for batteries inside. They're not currently inside, but there's room for batteries inside. It has an internal tuner. It is CW only. This is the Xiegu X6100. There is an internal tuner. There are batteries inside. This is all mode and HF through 6. This is the ICOM 705 with battery and display screen. And this is the Hamgear 3D printed case from Hamgear 3D. There's a video on the channel about this case as well. This has HF through 70 centimeters and does not have an internal tuner. And then this is the Xiegu FT891, which is 100 watts, HF through 6 meters, and just an interesting size comparison there for you. So there's the thickness of the FT891, the thickness of the IC705, the thickness of the X6100, and the thickness of the KX1, and I ran out of desk space. And now there's no more comparison anymore. The Elecraft KX1 is the clear winner on size, until I get out the QRP Labs QCX Mini. There is a video right over here I think you will enjoy. Otherwise, thanks for being awesome.